Article 134 of the Family Code of the Philippines. This article talks about the judicial separation of property. The article states that in the absence of an express declaration in the marriage settlements, the separation of property between spouses during the marriage shall not take place except by judicial order. This article specifies that unless the marriage settlements explicitly states otherwise, spouses cannot separate their property during the marriage without a judicial order. This means that a court must be involved to approve and enforce the separation of property. Now, the requirement for judicial order ensures that the interests of both spouses are protected and that the separation of property is conducted fairly and legally. Judicial separation of property can be granted under specific circumstances, such as abandonment or failure to comply with marital obligations by one spouse or by mutual agreement to avoid future disputes.